must be this one here. Oh, it's only 15. Right, so now we are unboxing Mummy's desk. So, I think what we'll have to do is just slide all the parts out. I think what we'll do instead. That's where it opens.
You helping Daddy, Jacob?
That's it. It does, doesn't it? That's the instructions there. Probably going to take me hours.
See if we've got the white screws. What white screws do we need?
Well, hopefully all the screws should be in it. We might need those if you've got to put some parts in. Look at the pile of parts here, look at all that. Oh heck. Right, let's prepare the 3 drawer fronts. Screw 2 metal dowels B into each of the drawer fronts, part 8. Metal dowel B with the drawer front, they must be the drawer fronts there. So, looks like the metal ones. There we go. Thank you, French. Metal dowel. Looks like one. So what's over there? Anything else that looks like that? No, so we need 2 of those. There we go. Right, screw this in now, Treasure. Put those in here. What's that? The screw is perfect for this.
I couldn't find the red one in the thing.
It's alright, this one's better.
I thought you screw it in the
Yeah,
cardboard.
you're going to screw these. It's not cardboard, this is wood.
Yeah, but do you have to screw it in this cardboard that you stop?
No, I can't make it through again. Right, we've done that, so we've got to do that for every drawer. 3 drawers.
Still looks a bit complicated, doesn't it?
Oh, it is. It's really complicated. So I need more of these. 1, 2, 3. 4. Let's just see what we do next. Insert a small locking cam nut, part F, into the hole shown on the left drawer side, the right drawer side. Locking cam nut, part F, one of those.
What is locking candle?
I think locking cam nuts. I think that's these.
One of those, one of those. Last time when you were running the scrapbook, I saw one of those with 2 boxes.
We're going to need 6 of these. Just make sure we've got all the parts.
2, 4,
Yes, I think these go in size here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Draw fronts, we hope. Where are the draw sides? Let's hope I think they're the draw fronts. These are the draw sides. Yeah, these are the sides. See my what's this put apart then?
You need an electric. How are you going to get your electric screw that?
Only if we need it. Well, it must be the small ones and big ones. Okay. They don't fit.
Means you're going to make a hole just to fit them in a bit. I have got my drill, but that's not electric because mine hasn't got drill on it.
These must be the draw sides. Unless they're the draw, maybe they're the draw backs. They're probably for the back, aren't they? So, put those down there. Yeah, these look like that. They're the draw runners. Draw runners, and these look like the draw sides. Right at the bottom, that's typical, isn't it? Right, yes, that's it. These are the draw sides. So, that piece will fit in there, and it does. But we need to make sure. I think the hole is already drilled though, we're just going to pop it in. Yeah, that's it. We'll do that. Small ones we need.
I've actually got bush to bush those off that.
Yeah.
And there's this one.
Oh, thank you. That's excellent, that. Oh, that's very good helper. Yeah, that's good. That's perfect.
I wondered if we need that, and I know
Yeah,
that.
right, well done. Right. Double check and put that in the right place. Yeah. Yeah. We need more of these parts. There must be. I want 3 of these.
This is all it is, and then put the string.
Okay. Right. We need more small locking nuts. They're all big ones. So.
Move on to the loose ones.
So you want to do the next part. Push. Turn the canvas there. Right, I see. So, this is how we will construct the first draw, you see. So that will go in there like that. That's it. And then,
Hold it up.
what's that? There it is. Then we turn that. Where's your thing screwdriver? That's it. That locks it in place, you see. There, walk back. This is not in right. That's it. I don't know why that one's not going in.
What's that bell there? There's a bell there.
So, clockwise. That's it. It's locked into place. So,
Well, do I need to use these?
we need to do that 3 times. This, you see, is the front. That's the front of the drawers. Where's your little brush? Brush it all down now. Because that stuff really sticks on. There. So that is part 1 done.
Oh,
So what we need to do, we need to do that 3 more times. And then we can move on to the next stage. So, we've got this piece, these pieces here. We'll give them a quick brush before we start. Yeah. So these go in here. Not too tight. That's it. Yeah. Oh man, put those on the wrong way. Put those on the wrong way.
Oops.
It's supposed to be, look, it's supposed to be, that's where the base of the drawer will go, so they're on the wrong way. Not to worry.
well, now we'll have to start all over again. Hands are getting all sweaty now. I have to keep these gloves on in case I get any dirt from this long jaw.
Not the rest of the drawer pieces. So many parts.
I know I don't know how I'm supposed to build it.
That's like the ones. That's not quite the same. They must be the 3 backs. That's for the base. Oh, what's this? Oh, well. No. Yeah, if you don't mind. Right, no worries. Thanks, pals, bye.
What did you say?
We've got a helper.
Helper.
Yeah.
Is he coming?
Justin's coming to help with the drawer. Put it on the side before we do that.
That's the thing like Grandad made. You know the last time when I was in his workshop helping making the door.
Was that? Did he use it?
seeing if you've seen this.
You think?
Yeah. I bet you wouldn't know what that bang does.
Let's just check that everything looks in place. Yeah, it does. I've had these drawers actually.
That's tightly in.
That's tightly in. Just gonna. This one's not quite tightly in yet, but it will be in a minute. Nice. That's drawer number 1 complete.
Jacob.
There. How's that looking?
Ooh, that looks nice.
Great.
Right.
Look at it, got the camera pointing that way.
Same again. Now. So.
Goodness me.
Well, we know what to do now. It's quite easy.
I know it's like an HQ on this table for tools and stuff. Look at it. It's like an HQ.
It is. Right. That slots in there. Back. Pop that on there.
Oh, Dad, all you're hammering is not that other finger.
It's alright. Just check everything's still in place.
Really, Dad?
That's the way, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're really doing it now. Really getting on with it. Yep, that's in place. There we are.
It's quite fancy, that.
Pretty good, isn't it?
And it'll be good to fit in my bedroom, that. With that holster there.
Right, that's another one done. Cooking on gas now. Cooking on gas.
And all the fudge that our brains on.
Yeah, we've got our brains in gear, haven't we?
I bet my hands are going to smell Korean salt when I take this glue salt. Because my glue salt do smell of Korean salt.
We won't need these again until right at the end when we're putting the whole thing together. Blimey.
I thought that was a sword thing, putting off Charlie.
Right. Last one.
I just keep my jacket on. What am I like?
Keep your jacket on. I wish we could open that window.
This is just in case I get too cold or too hot.
Right. This is it going in now.
You need to screw it in at the side.
No, we're using those plastic tap-in things for this. Ooh, need a couple more of them, actually. Right, so just line it up first. me that one there, please. Thank you.
Let's copy what Daddy does. Oh, those blooming things. I hate those things.
What is it for?
I think it's just doing it for extra support.
Yeah, it's just a bit of support on your drawers. They're a blooming nightmare. Right, pass one over here, Poos. Me and Jake will do one.
It says to put them
In
in the middle.
Yeah.
Smells nice, all this wood.
Right, do that one.
Oh wait, Jacob.
I love the smell of wood.
It's nice, isn't it?
Don't worry, Dad, the builder's on this way.
Where could they be?
How did Mr. Silly know that we're building with it?
I think Grandad probably told him. There they are. Hiding.
Oh, playing hide and seek, were you?
Yeah, too right they were. But we spotted them in the end.
Well, I bet that part of the drawer saying, oh, I don't want to get it together.
Right. So, we need a small...
When do we need a tape measure, Dad?
I'm not sure yet. Treasure, I don't think we've got up to that bit yet.
Oh,
Careful, we don't want to snap any parts. That would be a disaster. There they are, that's one. It's easy to find the bigger ones, the small ones are a bit more tricky.
look, Dad, I managed to have
This
my
one's
tape
okay,
measure
yeah.
on here, Dad, look.
Oh yeah, you did.
I think that's what that string that's supposed to fall behind, look. I need my tummy digesting all the food for my lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear it rumbling.
Don't fit very well that one, but
You can hear it rumbling, so I think it's digesting.
yeah, that's it. Slots it in.
If you be quiet, you'll probably hear it.
Turn clockwise locks it. Right, that one is finished now. Quick brush down.
Good job that I've got that bush in my workshop. I think I found it in Katie's garden last time. I'm not sure. I think I did.
Right, let's do this one next.
The baby found it in the garden last time.
Oh, I'm already sweating cold.
I know my hands are getting all hot.
Can you open that window, please?
And
It's really smelling hot in here.
I know I've hung my jacket up. Hang it on the door.
Right.
I think it's been locked.
It's locked in.
Like it.
I like this story. Right, that one will fit here. It's really coming along nicely now.
I
Oh no, it
can't
doesn't.
actually remember if I locked that window by accident.
It's not that piece.
I think I did, but I'm not really sure. I can't remember.
That's the piece. That's the piece we need.
I thought that's how to open it.
Looks like they haven't drilled some of these holes the right size.
Well, it's too late now. It's already made. Why don't you get your own drill out to make them a bit bigger?
I think I'll just force it in. There we go, you see?
When's
the way.
Mr. Silly coming up?
We said about 10 minutes.
Is he driving up now?
Probably not. Clockwise turn. That is locked nicely.
What do we need Mr. Silly to help us with?
You could probably manage it, but you can be looking at the next part of the instructions now. You see.
What?
This is the last one for 3 drawers. We've got 3 drawers to worry about, see?
Well, they put it the same way.
That. Next part. It's coming along nicely, actually. Doing quite well here. Only one mistake so far. Right, this piece next clearly goes here. Put it in. Thank you, that's helped. A clockwise turn. Half turn to lock it.
What's the other side like this?
This is the other side for it now.
No, what's the
Oh, it isn't.
what?
Wait, is it? Thought there was something wrong again then, but we haven't. We've done extremely well. Right, I've got to find that final part.
Well, it's me, this I can't make these gold parts in here.
There it is. Right.
See, this one with a handy tool.
That's it. Nice. Okay. That's 3 drawers constructed. Let's see what our next job is. We've done that bit. Right, so now we need to slide the base on and put the back on. So, we need all these parts now. And all we do is just slide it in. Easier. Now we need the back of the drawers. Which must be these, I think.
Seems like you're nearly done now.
We've only just done the drawers. We might have done the drawers actually. Right, fit the drawer back. Fit the drawer back between the drawer sides and make sure the drawer base is into the groove in the drawer back. Hold the drawer back in position and tap the knocking pegs through the holes in the drawer side. You got your hammer, I think?
I'll go and check it out.
If you've not, I can get mine. Go on.
I'm just going to check.
Charlie, get away. Come on, Charlie.
Right, while you're checking that, I'm going to see.
Wait, won't you? Oh. Oh.
It's metal, that one. I think it sticks to screw.
That's good, isn't it? Very handy.
I know, but I think when...
Right, you want to tighten that one up?
Yeah, yeah. I'm not going to do it, yeah. All right. You ready to get that? No, nice.
That's what it's supposed to do.
Yeah. Is it on?